8, 6. Can any be divided by 2? Yes, therefore divided. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Can be divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3 cannot be divided by 2, therefore equal. Can be divided by 2. Yes, divided by 2 is 1. 3 cannot be divided by 2, therefore equal. Cannot be divided by 2. Can be divided by 3. Yes, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 cannot be divided by 3, therefore equal. 1, 1. Okay, finish it. Here. 2 multiplied by 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 times exponent 3. 3, 1 time exponent 1. 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 3, 24. Okay.